loggers. How do they even get up in this thing? Man, you have to be tall to be a logger. Here's a gross jacket. Will you hold that for me? If I had longer fingers, we could open the door. Give me a stick. Here. Did you just throw this at me?
No.
Oh.
I think there's probably a lock or something.
Well, there's a little handle. Oh, there's keys in here.
What?
There's keys in here. Yeah. Why is it locked?
So,
But can you unlock it from the inside?
I don't know. Okay, what's in it? That's probably why it's locked, because there's keys in it.
But you can reach around and get the keys. Hey, wait.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, wait, watch.
It's nothing in there. I can totally get in there.
Let's get in, come on.
Why would they leave the keys in? Oh, they even left a jacket for us.
They did. They knew it. They knew it was going to be cold. No, no, no! No! Why is Lena get in here with you?
Break. They don't have cameras in it.
Crap is wrong with these people?
Well, they have camera in there, like,
They do?
no.
Oh. Don't start it, Kelsey. We're going to go to... What if it starts rolling and we can't get out? Wait,
Where's the
hold
break? Let's learn this bad boy.
You're bad.
Okay.
Oh! Okay, hold on. Call Seth. He knows how to ride a tracker.
Tracker?
Tracker.
Okay.
Okay.
Brake. Actuated transmission.
Okay. Hold on. Call him. Qualified operators only. We're qualified for this. We have driver's licenses.
It might not even start.
I've rode the tractor with my grandpa.
See.
You have to push the clutch. Don't push it!
Check daily for debris, leaks, damage.
Well, what if we didn't check and we could so log? We're about to log, people. Kelsey and Lindy are about to become loggers. We're even wearing plaid. Okay.
You gonna go forward or back?
We don't want to go anywhere.
Okay, fine.
Wait, hey, hang that up. It's pressed up. Can you press that? Use your tongue.